In this tutorial, you will learn how to export STL files from your myitero.com portal. Today we'll focus on restorative cases. Before exporting STL files, make sure you follow these requirements. Disable any pop-up blockers or browser extensions that might prevent the STL or PLY file from being exported. Clear your browser cache in your browser settings. We'll show the steps in Google Chrome. Other browsers may look slightly different. Log into my itero.com portal with the same username and password used to log into the scanner. Click on Patients. Search for the patient's name in the list. And click on the Export button. In the pop-up window, select the SIAD or CAM system. In case you are not sure, select the most common one, Implants and Other Exports, Open Model, or Connect with your lab. Then click on Export. The download may take a few seconds, depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, you will find a zip folder in your downloads. Share the zip with your lab or extract the STL files for in-house production. Note that you can set default export details to match your lab preferences or your in-house 3D printer. For more information or assistance, contact your local iTero support team at itero.com. It starts with iTero.